So this is our new house. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. You walk into the kitchen. Right here is the coat closet. And also the attic, or not the attic, the access to the crawl space, the hatch. I got to about this point in the kitchen, and I looked at Aaron and I said, I want this house. So I love the kitchen. I love all the counter space. I love the way it's configured. It's awesome. It's super workable. You can make so much less in here. And then if you push that button, you like can get into like another section of the fridge. You know, and then you do it again and you get into the whole fridge. This is where the washer, dryer, laundry hookup's gonna be. I love the barn doors, and that covers the furnace and hot water tank area. And then over here we have more cabinet and counter area. Hold our laundry and cleaning supplies. Here is another shelf area for like a pantry or something. This is our living room, family room area. Fireplace, it's a gas fireplace. And that's the door we just walked in, so it's a circle loop around, which I think is fun. Don't ask me why, but I think it'll be fun for the cats too. The other angle looking at it. We might just have one couch TV area. I don't know yet. We'll see once we get stuff in here how it gets laid out. And then this is our bathroom. We have tons of storage, linen closets and stuff. I do no longer have a gel house sink. I'm super excited about that. Our last house like jutted out from the wall. And I was always looking to replace it, but it was such a narrow area, I couldn't find prefabbed ones for the dimensions I would have wanted. And then shower liner, which makes me super excited because I hate cleaning grout. I hate it. Oh, and I forgot to show it too. He put recessed lights everywhere, so it's like super bright in here. And then I'm planning on this being our master bedroom. If for no other reason than I use blackout drapes and they just stay shut most of the time. So this is the view of the neighbor closet. All the bedroom closets are cedar. I'm thinking this will be an office. This is the guest bedroom / whatever else it turns into. Two closets there. All those lights. And then going into the garage over here. The garage is like super nice, finished off. I really like it. So in the garage, we're gonna store like all our camping gear and outdoorsy stuff. And then if you go out, our lot goes all the way into those trees and then like another 30 feet or so. And then in the shed here is where we'll store all our lawn stuff. This is actually the first time I've been here and not seen deer. Every other time there's like 8 deer in the yard. The shed is super awesome inside. Has an upper story too. Chipmunks or mice have been in here at some point, so I don't have to clean all that out. It's really cool. I'm gonna add some T-post fencing over here for the dog/cats. To hold grocery bags. So that is our house. It's exciting. Yay!